Website with booking engine. Transform your presence online. From a simple showcase to direct bookings. Here's how. A booking engine that transforms visitors into customers. With intuitive search fields to find what's needed in just a few moments. Manage data, images, prices, and availability from the management system. Define automatic rules for category aggregation, free sale, and stop sale. Offer multiple rate plans for the same vehicle, daily, mileage-based, or promotional. And automatically apply the most suitable upgrade based on the user's choice. Extras and complimentary services offered before confirmation. Three checkout options: quick access, registration, or continue as a guest. With the virtual pause, get paid immediately, charge when you want, and reuse data when needed. So your operational advantage: the AI model integrated in the system coordinates the fleet, assigns the right vehicle, optimizes availability, and reorganizes scheduling to reduce downtime. Pioneers of car rental management software. Infrastructure powered by Amazon Web Services. Performance guaranteed, always. Modular structure. Freedom of choice and costs under control. Forget rigid management systems. Build your own. Request your free demo.